6 CBA World Radio.
Something bad happened to you over the last weekend, I'll say.
Yeah. It was
frightening.
It was horrible.
Scary. It was a moment where your heart would just stop suddenly in your tracks.
Well,
tell
if
us
you had a
what
bad heart, you probably would have died.
Probably.
Yeah.
Need a pacemaker now.
I woke up one morning. I did.
Good.
Glorious morning.
Jeff.
Saturday morning.
I'm glad you woke up. But what happened?
My roommate.
Yeah.
He was out and about all weekend. I hadn't seen him all weekend, so I went in just to, stick my head in, see if he's all right, see if he's there. And two strangers in the bed.
What?
I know. They weren't roommates. They weren't friends of roommates. They were just strangers.
Strangers.
Yep.
Two weirdos came into your house, decided to gate crash into a bed.
Yep. Decided to penetrate the house and just lay down wherever they felt they pleased, pretty much. I was like, what do I do? Do I wake them up?
Yeah.
What if I wake them up? Who are they?
Will they attack?
What do we do? Yeah, will they attack me in mid-stupor?
Yeah, you don't know what they're doing in there.
No.
Don't know what they've got on them.
No, they could have anything.
Anything.
How'd they get in the house, for a start?
Scary.
Yeah.
So, anyway.
Went up to my roommate and was like, well, there's someone in my other roommate's bed. What do we do?
What happens?
Anyway, I rang my roommate. Not that roommate, the other roommate whose bed it was.
Another one.
Yeah, there's a lot of us in this house.
No wonder someone fell in here and crept in. You don't know who's living there.
Oh, God. I said, do you have anyone, like, maybe he gave his bed out as a gift in the middle of the night when he was, going out? Mm-hmm. And he said, no, I don't know. Kick him out.
Get rid of them.
Put it onto me to kick him out. I was like, oh, God. A little bit scared.
Yeah.
Grabbed the nearest thing I could find.
Which was?
It was a wrench.
What?
Yeah, it was on the floor.
Wow.
Yeah.
Powerful.
Well, because you got to defend yourself. There's two of them, one of me. So
true.
Yeah.
You can always unscrew one of them. Yeah, anyway.
Anyway, because there was two of them, I was outnumbered. Okay. So I decided to recruit my roommate, went in there, and turns out it was his sister.
Sister?
Yeah, and her friend.
He didn't even know.
I didn't know.
Did he know?
He knew once we went in the room together.
Yeah, but he didn't know that she was going to be there.
No one knew. So she gate crashed our house.
Mm-hmm. Bad move. Bad move.
Bad move.
Sister of the roommate. Bad move.
Frowned upon, and I think we should get her back.
I think so, Gaff. I think it's one of those moments where she shouldn't be able to get away with it.
Nah.
Breaking and entering.
I mean, what do you do?
Breaking and sleeping.
Breaking.
Well, Gaff, you had to get her back.
I did.
I think it's time.
Yeah.
To reveal it.
She's having a party on the weekend.
She's having a party.
Yep.
She's going to be 21.
Yeah.
So we thought, 21.
21.
Kid's going to grow up.
Yep.
She can't just break in and enter. She's got to be responsible for what she does.
Yeah.
So we thought, well, she's having a party. Let's see if we can convince her that we're a weirdo, a stranger.
Some random.
Yeah. Yep. Want to come to the party. Want to bring like 100 friends with her.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Maybe more.
This is your attempt, Gav.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Hello?
Hi, this is Jojo. How are you? Bit of
fail.
I don't know. Why would you hang up on that one?
Who's called Jojo?
I don't know. Maybe
seriously,
that's her Facebook name.
Well, Gaff, you gave it another go.
Yeah,
I couldn't leave it there.
One more go.
Hello?
Hi, is this Brooke?
No.
Who is this?
Jamie?
Jamie? Who's Jamie? I'm trying to get a hold of Brooke. She's having a party this weekend? Is that you?
No.
Hello, Brooke. Is this Brooke?
Failed, yeah.
Wouldn't have a bar of it. I think it was my voice.
Having a party. No.
What's your name, Jamie?
Well, I got fed up.
Yeah.
I had enough of your stupidity.
I know.
Jeff, you loser.
I'm not good at prank calls, man. I was trying.
No, I think you sounded too much like a girly boy.
Maybe I sounded like, in Thailand you get the girly boys, had the surgery.
Bit of a deep voice. Adam's apple on the end. I thought, that's it. I'm giving it a go.
Yeah.
This is how it went down.
Hi, it's me.
Pardon?
It's me, Joanna.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Oh my gosh, it's been so long since we last spoke. Do you remember me, Brooke?
No.
Well, I heard that you're having like a party this coming weekend. Is that right?
No,
Oh, but it's all like all over Facebook.
but I'm having a party.
Yeah, like at that.
I'm trying to hear it.
Sorry,
Pardon?
what's happening?
Am I on loudspeaker?
There's got like heaps of people over and stuff. But I was wondering, like, Jim, like I was like hoping that we could like maybe arrange like I can come to your party because we haven't like seen each other in so long, and I have like 1,000 friends on Facebook, and I thought that'd be so cool.
I don't even know who you are.
It's Jody.
Jamie who?
No, Jody Clough.
No, I don't know you.
Yes, you do. We used to have a running race and everything in school carnival.
No, sorry.
Well, do you reckon it'd be cool though?
I can't. It is invite only.
Yeah, but I mean, I just wanted to like,
I don't even know who you are. So
but like
no,
party for
sorry.
you. Because I have heaps of friends. Like, I have so many friends, Brooke. Like, you don't even know how many I have on like Facebook. But
I don't even know who you are. No, because it's invite only, so you'll get kicked out anyway.
but what if we like just like catch up and then you like know me, so it's all cool.
You can't come, so I have security, so don't bother.
Winner!
We got her.
Yes, Gaff.
Without you, Crackles, we wouldn't have got her back.
Take that, Brooke.
I appreciate it.
Thank you. Oh, stop. That's enough. Okay, one more rose. Sorry, Gaff.
Yeah, it's all right.
But
That's all
hey, it worked out well in the end.
I'm glad you took control and flew the ship.
Well, someone had to prank her.
Yeah.
Worked well. This is Skrillex, rock and roll. Crackles and Gaff with you Monday